girl that you could be down for. 'Cause when I look at you, I feel something tell me that you're the kind of guy that I should make a move on. And if I don't let you know, then I won't be for you. I could be wrong, but I feel like something could be going on. The more I see you, the more that it becomes so true. There ain't no other for me, it's only you. I wanna be down with what you're going through. I wanna be down. I wanna be down with you. Down with you. Oh, yeah. Oh, it's true. I wanna be down. I know anybody's gonna be lonely without the reason they got someone to care for. Maybe all you need's a shoulder to cry on. If that's a fact, then I'll be more than you ever could dream of. If all you need is my time, then I got plenty of. I'll dedicate all my love until you call me back. I wanna stay by your side, be there to pull you up, and let you know everything will be alright. Oh, going through. Yeah. I wanna be down. I wanna be down. I wanna be down with you. No matter time, it's true. I wanna be down. Wanna be down. Got to be down with what you go. Ooh, I wanna be down. I wanna be down. You wanna be down. No matter time of day and night, it's true. Wanna be down. Wanna be no matter the time.
It's not hard to see your voice. outside in an AMG, right outside, TT, two-turn baby girl, you know me. Still with the dogs that I grew beside. All the niggas around me, ride and they die. Gotta watch the time, cause it's flying right by.
So you guys, this is the finished look. Today you guys, I'm doing a review for BGMgirl hair, and they sent over this gorgeous straight unit. I have to say that BGMgirl hair has definitely become one of my favorite hair companies. Look at the quality of this unit. So today I am reviewing a 13x4 26-inch unit from them. This is 250% density, if you guys are wondering, and I absolutely love this unit. Okay, this is where the unit is hitting on me. For reference, I am 5'2", and this unit is just absolutely gorgeous. Look how silky and flowy this hair is. It's definitely a 10 out of 10. I highly recommend this one. When you have straight hair, this is how you want your hair to look. You want it to be silky, flowy, just gorgeous. Now, the lace was definitely the selling point for me. I mean, look at how well it melted. Some lace is so bad that you have to do baby hairs, but with this unit, you do not have to add baby hairs because the lace is fire. I just really like how silky straight it is, and it doesn't get frizzy when you move your hair. It just falls right into place like it should. And this is the parting space on the unit, you guys. This is a 13x4, but there is minimal parting space like on the edges right here, and I just want to really show you guys what the edges are giving, because it's not that much. It's like an inch parting space here. The tracks hit right there. You guys know I have to make sure I am very detailed with these reviews. Even though there's not a lot of parting space here on the side, I still really like this unit, and I think it is definitely going to be something a lot of you guys are going to be interested in if you're looking for some good quality straight hair. Like, hello, silky straight, no shedding. This is how thick the unit is. This is all of the hair up front. Like I said, it is 250% density. This is a hot comb and flat iron that I used today. If you guys are interested, I will link that down below for you guys, along with the link to this hair, and I will see all of you beautiful people in my next one.